In this video, you will learn how to download Grok 3 AI Chatbot on PC. First, check access requirements. Grok 3 is available with users on the X platform with Premium Plus or Super Grok subscriptions. Visit the official download page, go to the Grok's official website and find the section for downloading the application. Set your operating system, choose the correct installer for your PC. This could be Mac OS or Windows. Install and download the installer. Click the download button and save the installation files on your computer. Run the installer. Open the download files and now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction and installation. Follow the setup. Process through the installation prompts, accept the EULA, and choose an installation location on your computer. You can even opt for shortcuts or not. Launch Grok 3. Once installed, the app will be on your desktop and in the start menu if you choose to. Sign in with your X credentials and now you are ready to start chatting with Grok 3. Now you know the easiest way to download Grok 3 AI Chatbot on PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.